morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's crush it today. Big old pump up, nice gap up in the overnight session. Actually, a decent gap up. But yeah, should be a nice trading day. We'll see. Let me just tell everybody that we're live. Good morning. As always, you guys know the drill. When you first tap in, double tap that screen. Helps a lot with the algo, especially when I first go live. So yeah, make sure to double tap the screen. Clean off your finger, wipe it on your shirt, and just double tap. Obviously, if you're new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. But hopefully find a winning trade today. Let's see, post. Live trading. Cool. Let's see, we got that. Live trading link. Go. That's good. Just let everybody on the IG know that we're live and then we're ready to rock and roll. Let's see. Yes, this is NQ that I have up right now. Yep. Again, if you're new, make sure to hit the follow as well. Share. Bets. Cool. Ready to rock and roll. Good morning, everybody. Hopefully everybody's having an amazing morning so far. It's like beautiful outside this morning. It's like 54 degrees. It feels amazing, especially after it being so damn hot. But yeah, good morning, good morning. Where's everybody tapping in from? What state? Good morning, Vandy. Good morning, JSR. Good morning, Justin. Everybody on TikTok, what state you guys from? Or country? Good morning, Alexander. Jersey, Connecticut, Florida. Who else? What we got in here? You want to know the best sound in the morning too? Ready? Tampa, Florida, fire. Michigan, Alberta. Good old Canada. Awesome. I'll give everybody like 5 more minutes and then we'll go over this watch list. Again, if you guys have not already, find that follow button at the top left, top right. Clean off your pointer finger. Okay. Go find it and boom, hit that follow button. I live trade every single day for you guys. Every single morning, 30 minutes before market open. All you guys got to do is tap it. That's it. Follow, tap it. Let's catch a banger today. I am all stuffed up too. Hold on. Oh, there we go. What's up, Team Bull? Share my screen for you guys. Hold on. Let's see. There we go. Nice little gap up on QQQ and SPY. Really, the only thing I like, NQ actually has demand. It's a little far away. I guess somehow, some way, if the market starts dumping and we get down there, then we can watch it. But ideally, the break and retest of pre-market highs would be my go-to. GD Invest. You decide to change your name or what? Or are you on a different computer? There you go, buddy. Cool. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Tube. If you're watching on TikTok, you want to tap into my Tube channel as well. BrandonTrades. I'm live over there. Got 139,000 subs, 1,800 videos, tons of free education. So again, BrandonTrades on the Tube. You should know what the Tube is. TikTok doesn't like when I say the whole thing, but y'all should know what it is. Questions before market open as well. Feel free to ask while we're just chilling. Let's see, new channel. Feel free to ask. Okay, we got that. Go. I have NQ pulled up right now. It's just an hourly time frame, but we will drop it down to a 5-minute. What's up, Andrew? Nobody questions. There's 170 of you here in TikTok. How about this? How'd you guys do yesterday? Did you guys make money or lose money? Appreciate it, Papa Bear. Yeah, I'm a little stuffed up this morning, but it'll probably go away here in a little bit. Lost on shorts. Why'd you short? Market literally went straight up. No supply zones, nothing. Nothing at all. Who else? How else you guys do yesterday? Made 330 on NQ buys, fire. Who else? The 170 of you in here, only 2 of you traded yesterday. I'm sure there's more. Made money yesterday, fire. Let's crush it. Little 1.2K. Copy trader failed through, so only 1 account. All right. Still good money. Got my $1,700 payout yesterday from Vanquish on options. Morning from Lakeland, Florida. Fire. Which order flow apps do I use? Bookmap and only Bookmap if you want to check it out. Here's the link right here. I use the Global Plus subscription and the CME data. Am I looking for buys today? Absolutely. Reason being, market's going straight up. We have no supply. We broke above it on ES. The market's very strong. We're gapping up, so get above pre-market highs. I would like to see continuation. So 300. Wish I did a mini instead of micro. It's all right. Am I that kimchi guy everyone is talking about? No. I'll tell you what, if I made 40 M's off a trade, honestly, I don't know what I would be doing if I had 40 mil. He probably paid like rough, if that was it was all in the same year. Probably at least 10 to 15 mil in taxes, if I had to guess. So what would that leave me with? Like 25, 30 mil? I don't know what I would do if I had 25, 30 mil, to be honest. Been following me since the pandemic. I've been profitable since. That's fire. Bro's an OG 6 years ago. 2,800 on Top Step, fire. Let's see. Took a screenshot of that. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. We got 190 of you, 200 of you in the TikTok now. Okay. I guarantee not all 200 of you are following. So find the follow button, top left, top right. Make sure you guys hit it. Again, I live trade it every single day for you guys, 30 minutes before market open. I've been trading since 2017. So I definitely have experience when it comes to trading too. So again, you guys found this live for a reason. All you got to do is your part and hit that follow button. Again, top left, top right. Keep reminding you guys. What's up, Jason? What's up, T. Shambe? I honestly, if I had 25, 30 mil, I'd probably still stream low key because I genuinely enjoy doing this stuff. So I don't know. Probably would though. I only like longs. Obviously, we'll see if the market agrees with my bias, but I only like longs. I like Nvidia calls as well. I like Tesla calls. Everything above pre-market high, like longs and calls. Nope. Nvidia calls is what I like. Obviously, the market could reverse and start coming back down, but as of right now, I like more upside. And if you're watching in the TikTok and you guys want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades, I'm also live over there right now as well. Hold on, I think I got to sneeze. But yeah, come tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades, live over there right now. You can see my order flow. You can see more of my screen. You can still see my face. 139,000 subs, 1,800 videos. So again, Brandon Trades on the tube. Thank you. Yes, this is my pre-market high. Yes, sir. One second. Yeah, I mainly watch the 5 and 2 minute to get entries. Everything I use is based on higher time frames, though, like all my key levels. Why am I looking for longs? No supply zones, and look at that 5-minute chart. That's why. Well, technically higher time frames, hour, daily, etc. Weekly was super bullish. Talked about it Sunday night. 36 hours ago that I was ideally bullish for the week. So far, we're getting that move. If you go onto my tube channel, I have I don't know what your actual name is. Okay, hi, Sean. I have a boot camp on my tube. So if you type in Brandon Trades boot camp, again, you should know what the tube is. I'll pop right up. It's like 28, 29 videos in there, maybe 30. So go check it out. I don't know why I'm so stuffed up. Also, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, BRANDON. Obviously, the goal of these live streams is to get you guys funded, pass your accounts, get you guys funded, help you guys get payouts, teach you guys, educate you guys, and teach you on discipline as well as patience. So, yeah, literally follow, join, and again, if you ever need those accounts, use code Brandon, BRANDON. Other than that, we vibe and we find bangers. Let's see, move this. Again, I'm watching upside today. Want to see more upside. Just muted on here right now, Josh. We'll be talking more once market gets closer to open. 21 EMA. That's what I got on my chart right now. $21. Let's crush it today. Pretty much everything I'm watching today, everybody. ES, NQ, SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA, Tesla. Everything above pre-market high. I want more upside. It's the only thing I'm watching. Demands are pretty far away. Actually, ES doesn't even have a demand, NQ does, but that's all the way down towards like 28,900. So like 350 points away on NQ. So highly doubt we get down there. Could we get there? Of course. If we do somehow, some way, then that'll be the bounce. But pre-market high is right here. That's what I would like to see. Break and retest pre-market highs. Again, good morning, everybody. Y'all ready to make some money today? Give me a yes. Actually, I guess yes or no. Are you ready to make money today? What up? Good morning. Yeah? Got a few of you that are ready to make some money. That's okay. As long as a few of you are ready, we will make some money. Appreciate the follow, Punisher3030. Yup. Let's get it. We got, let's see, 15 minutes. Still 15 minutes. Appreciate the follow, Blake, as well as Black Sparkle. Again, feel free to ask questions while we're just chilling, because we got 15 minutes still open. We pretty much already went over the watch list, literally pre-market high, get above there and look for more continuation. Let's see. Again, I'm watching upside. It's the last time I'm saying upside for the next 10 minutes. I've been asked like 30 times already. What's my analysis pre-market? Up. Literally up, up, up. That's all I care about. If the market rejects and comes down, I do not care about shorts. Only thing I care about is price returning back to my demand. God damn it, I got to sneeze again. Maybe not. Pre-market low is all the way down at 29,000. Actually, no, sorry, lower than that. Pre-market low is at 28,831. That would be your actual low. I consider everything in the post and pre-market like everything outside of regular trading hours, that's my pre-market high and pre-market low. So highest and lowest point of the entire overnight session. Did I say 21 EMA? Yes. Do you ever trade TSLL? No. We're coming to all-time highs now. Let's see. Are we actually? No. NQ is super, super far away. First. ES might be a little closer. No, ES still has a while to go. So nowhere near all-time highs. I guess SPY is, but let's see, 700, 760.4. Interesting. It's still super far away on ES, but we are there on SPY. Options are not open yet, Matt. That's probably why. Or that is why. You have to wait for the options market to open. Oh, what were you trying to trade? QQQ. How many contracts were you trying to buy? One. 0DT. There might be like, check your email and see if there's papers you have to sign. That might be. If anything, just reach out to support though. They'll get you set up. It's got a $1,700 payout from them yesterday. I don't know if you saw it, but I posted it. And they're running 50% off right now too. If you guys ever need accounts with them or want to try funded options, of course we're going to pump above this pre-market high. What's wrong with 0DTs, bruh? I love 0 DTs. Let's see. I would have preferred if we waited, stayed below, but I guess it is what it is. We'll see. I just like longs. That's it. Again, if the market completely reverses and starts pulling back, then we'll reevaluate. But you know, in the meantime, I like upside. Can you send the Zoom link? Again, you get access to the Zoom if you are in Team Bull or my mentorship. So if you're in Team Bull, there's a link that says Brandon GD Zoom link. If you're in my mentorship link, or if you're in my mentorships, I send it every single morning, which I sent in everything, Team Bull as well as my mentorships. Yep, trade with the trend, exactly. And again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Hit that follow button. Honestly, just more upside. The strength is still upside, but we are trying to sweep these highs, so I guess we'll see if we actually hold them or we come back down and close below. I do like Nvidia a lot today, though, so I do want to get some Nvidia options pulled up. Let's see. Nvidia. Our level is 210.60. Again, if you guys need accounts before market open or accounts in general, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, Lucid, you can use code Brandon in all caps. Always get you the best possible discount. I don't really want to watch the 212.5s, but I guess we'll see for Nvidia. Yeah. You're going to, Wes. If you can make money on your actual live account, you can absolutely get a payout. 100%. Oh, what do we got? We got 5 minutes, everybody. 5 minutes. What are you guys watching today? Yeah, this technically would be the new pre-market high here. What are you guys watching? Type it up. AMD earnings on the up. Did AMD report? Or do they report this week? Bruh, who's already drawing on my screen? Only NQ, ONDS, okay. Dow, NQ, NQ, NQ. No, wherever there's money, that's where we're looking. Not just going to limit myself to one instrument just because, you know, majority of people trade NQ. If there's money on NVIDIA, I'm trading NVIDIA. If there's money on ES, I'm trading ES. Not just only focusing on one thing. So many other places to make money in the market. NQ is not the only spot. So, no, sir. Wherever there's money, that's where Brando is at. Palantir, Tesla, NVIDIA, QQQ, Fire. All right, Team Bull, we got 5 minutes. Five minutes. Any interest in the Dow? I mean, the Dow would probably just be the same setup, pre-market high, break and retest. Let's see. Oh, it's already above it. I mean, Dow, like, let's see. Dow had a really big move up, actually. 630. I guess some Dow names reported earnings today. But as long it's at new all-time highs, I think. Hold on. Yes, it is actually. 53,656. Yeah, I mean Dow either pull back to that previous all-time high or just continuation. Is what I would look for personally. And then Russell's probably the same. I don't really trade Russell and Dow too much, but like I will if there's a good setup. Just depends. It's a Tesla. Cool. Really liking this Nvidia today, everybody. All the options traders in here. Really like if we break and retest that 250.60. Or 210.70. I'm stupid. 210.70. 0 DT, probably 212. I typically don't like the half strikes, but we'll see if there's liquidity. Of course, breaking above it. All right, we got 2 minutes. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button and be greatly appreciated. Everybody in the tube, we got about like 200 of you guys in here and only 54 likes. So a fourth of you guys hit that like button so far. But make sure to hit the thumbs up. Be greatly appreciated. If you're watching on TikTok and you want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades. I'm live over there right now as well. You should know what the tube is. 1,800 videos, 139,000 subs, live trading over there every single day as well. So make sure you guys come tap in. And then as always, if you guys ever need accounts before the market, after market, during market, whatever, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid. Make sure you guys use code Brandon, BRANDON, in all caps. It always gets you the best possible discount. Again, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, in all caps. Obviously, the goal is to help you guys pass your accounts, get you guys payouts. So tap in every single morning. And if you need those accounts, code Brandon. So let's make some money today. Trade safe, trade smart. Remember, A+ setups only. Don't force anything just because you think price is going to do something or just because you want to make money. Again, wait for a setup, A+. If you get that A+ setup and there's proper risk, you take it. If not, sit on your hands. There will always be another trade. Appreciate the love you so much gift. I still to this day have no idea what TikTok gifts do, but you know, I appreciate it. Thank you. I love you too. Yeah, let's get this bag today. Market opens here in about 5 seconds. Let's do it. Go. All right, fam. Let's crush it. Remember, Nvidia pullback 210.70 is what I'm watching. We're going to watch these 212.5s. I feel like we're just going to rip today, though, on ES and NQ. We're at the NVIDIA level. See if they can hold it. Your swim is super laggy. What are you watching today, GD? The road. I think we may have missed that in video because my TOS is super laggy right now. Yo. Well, that would have been a 2-minute workday. Contracts went from like 1.8 to 2.4. I really like this NQ if we get a pullback. Yeah. I want to see if we get a pullback into like either 282 or 245. Anywhere in that like 40-point range. How did how did I learn? Time and experience. Where you going, GD? It's a secret. Are you going to your cabin? I think he's going to his cabin. His Epstein cabin. What indicator do I have on? 21 EMA. Big old BBC to start the day. Still want to keep an eye on this in video as well. Oh, anyways, to answer your question, how did I learn? Books, mentors, video, YouTube videos. Yeah, it's really it. Time and experience, trial, error, journal, all that. Video's still trying to hold that level. Let's see. I think there's like a 10 to 20-second delay. I'm not sure. Jadon absolutely did not teach me anything. Name a single strategy that me and Jadon use that's similar. You can't. Because I got my own strategy. But again, would like to see this pullback if we get it. Ideally, we did have that bullish bias, but I don't know if the market's going to pull back or not. We'll see. This is NQ. And I mean, it could pull back. We don't know though. The only thing we know is that the market's going up, right? If we get an entry today, we get an entry. If not, well, there's always tomorrow. There's always the next day. So just gotta stay patient, let the market offer the setup, and then go from there. It's the only thing we can do. Again, if you guys have not already, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. And keep reminding you guys, top left, top right. I go live every single day for you guys, 30 minutes before open. If you guys want to tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades, I'm always live over there as well. Live on the tube. So follow, come tap in. I hope we get a pullback, ideally here and here. That's what I would like to see. Probably end up forming like a 30-minute demand too, depending on how strong this move is. Yeah, what news we got today, Dora? Since my news anchor's on the road. Jolts. Nice. That's going to be a fun one. No, we don't care about factory orders. We care about jolts. Nice. Let's see if we get this pullback. We're at this previous high that we had on NQ. There you go, Wes. Hit for 1K on the big push. Nice. No, it's just NVDA. Well, I can't do anything about the delay on Tube or TikTok. Again, the easiest way to be in a live with me where there's literally no delay is by being in the Discord. It's the best way. So I'll give you this link right here. I'll give you a discount code for your first month, $30 for your first month, $1 a day. If you can't make $1 a day trading with me, then I'll literally give you $30 back. But that is where it is, you know, live, absolutely zero delay. So there's that code right there. Or sorry, there's that link right there. And you can use code BT. $30 your first month. Again, $1 a day. If you can't make $1 a day, I'll give you $30. But yeah, see my full screen, book map, as well as a chart, and then obviously no delay. No 9:45 news. Anybody? Just 10? Cool. Perfect. Yeah, see if we can pull back here. Everybody chilling and vibing, staying patient. See if we can get this pullback now. Or not. Just keep pushing. That's okay too. Again, feel free to ask questions while we're just chilling, everybody. I'm still kind of liking this in video too. Not a big fan of those last 2 5-minute candles, but we are like holding this area. Consistently profitable took about like a year and a half, 2 years. But consistently profitable is not, $1,000, $2,000 a day within a year and a half, 2 years. It was more so like, hey, I'm consistently making 20, 30, 40, $50, maybe the occasional 100. Um, but yeah, don't think consistently profitable is making $1,000, $2,000 a day. Because that's not the case at all. Brother, when I started trading, prop firms were not a thing. I've been in this game for a while, since 2017. So they were not a thing. Appreciate the follow, Frazier. Yeah, again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow, top left, top right. Make sure y'all hit it. MU. MU's nuking. AMD. Trading's been around for forever. It's just a lot of people didn't start doing it until COVID. Still like this NVIDIA. The 2-minute looks good, but the 5-minute looks like trash. We got a bunch of people up in here today, GD. $230. Yeah. Yeah, we're slowly growing. I do like this NVIDIA, everybody. Team Bull. I like it more on the 2-minute. The 5 minutes just constantly rejecting those. So not like kind of like 50-50 with it. Okay, well, there it goes. Never mind. We are not getting that entry now. Nice. You want me to start saying DOD? It's like futures and options. Always in here. Of course you took it, LBJ. Yeah, 2-minute was looking good. It was just I wasn't a big fan of that 5-minute. I'll still watch it though. As long as it doesn't go set a new high day, I'll still watch it. The market is just absolutely ripping face right now. ripping face. Let's see. Sorry, tube. I had the chat minimized. Let's see. Yeah, in the Discord, there's tons of education. What is the level at 29364? 2936. Previous high for New York. What would be the upside next key level, in my opinion? Honestly, we have no key level until like way up here, 29856. So about another 400 points on NQ, pretty far away. Let's see. Yeah, but Chris, the market makes its money off of failing traders. 95 to 97% statistically do not make money. It's just how it is. So the market makes money off of people losing their own capital. Prop firms make money off of people blowing their accounts and not being smart. It's the same thing. What happened to MYN? What happened to the Dow? Let's see. Dang, we got 260 people here in the tube, but only 90 likes. What is that? That's disappointing. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. Let's see. YM, it's pulling back. You could watch the VWAP bounce. It's getting pretty close. 53747. I'm kind of confused on what you're saying, Sandy. Did you fully rely on Bookmap? Back in 2017, I didn't even start trading with Bookmap till like 22. So it was a potential fib, but we broke above the high. Am I in a trade? No. Appreciate you, Chris. Either options or futures. I mean, it's really up to you, Ramsey. Really up to you. Are we going to get a pullback today, everybody? Is that a thing? Is that even in our vocabulary today to get a pullback? I don't know. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Top left, top right. If you guys want, make sure to tap into my tube channel, BrandonTrades. Live over there every single morning as well. Tons of free education, 1,800 videos, 139,000 subs. So again, BrandonTrades on the tube. Make sure you guys come tap in. Yes, it's just booming. SPY's at new all-time highs. Yeah, 100% wait for jolts. Just because, I mean, the market's literally going straight up. What are you like? Where are you going to get an entry? You know, if you're going long up here, you're chasing. We don't want to chase. We want to wait for A+ setups. You know, so only thing we can do is wait. Again, if the market gives us an entry, cool. If the market does not give us an entry, we move on and we wait till tomorrow. That's it. It's the only thing we can do. I don't know why I'm so hungry right now. Starving. So the QQQ all-time odds is were any of you able to capture a piece of this move up? Team Bull? Fire. Most of you saying no. Let's see, what is a good trading platform to use? Lucid was down. I'd say another good one is Take Profit Trader. It's my favorite out of all the prop firms. And you can use code Brandon, BRANDON. It'll get you 40% off, no activation fee. But out of all the props I've used and the ones that I promote, I always say TPT is my favorite. So again, Take Profit Trader, code Brandon, BRANDON. Yeah, NQ's literally just nuking. Hopefully Jolts can bring it back down. Worst case scenario, we look for 30-minute orb. But even then, like, the range is pretty big. Yeah, I love TPT. Just my favorite. GD's here. I think he's just driving, though. Or somebody's driving. I don't know. This guy. No consistency rule, daily payouts. TPT was one of the first that did the daily payouts, and then everybody started following. Accounts are cheap, 40% off, no activation fee, which again was one of the first, and then everybody else started doing it. I mean, it's pretty much it. It's very easy to request payouts. It's very straightforward, and they're a trustworthy firm. I mean, once you get over that buffer, you're fine, though. Yeah, I mean, you can reset the funded, but it's very expensive if you blow it. If you blow it. But get over the intraday drawdown. That's it on the funded. So if you have a 50K account with 2K intraday drawdown, there's a very simple solution. You guys ready for this? You use proper size and don't be stupid. It's as simple as that. Obviously, if you nuke 20 NQs and it goes up 10 points and then back down and it stops you out, why are you ripping 20 MNQs? If you use proper risks, and I tell everybody this all the time, it was the same with Apex when they had intraday. It's the same stuff. Use proper size. And then the intraday drawdown doesn't matter. Get over your buffer, and guess what? Intraday drawdown isn't an issue anymore. It's not that hard. Five minutes until jolts and the 30-minute orb. Is there a rule to never buy futures before open? No. I mean, if there's a setup, I'll take it. Was going to say maybe we could watch this ADMA, but we're getting pretty close to jolts. So it's the only issue I have with it. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. It'd be greatly appreciated. Top left, top right. Live trade for you guys every single day. Been trading since 2017. Got a lot of experience in the market. All you guys got to do is follow and join me. Ask questions, trade with me, vibe, chill, all that fun stuff. Jolts is job openings. Three minutes till we got it. See if we can hit 150 likes on the tube live. We got 280 of you, 120 likes. I think we can hit 150. 30 more. See if you guys can do it. Oh, we're just chilling. Ugh, did I buy? No, I'm sitting here chilling. Nowhere to trade. No trades, no confirmation. Or no confirmation, no trades. Yeah, I never ended up taking that in video. Got that move up when it pulled back, pretty bearish candle. No confirmation to go long. Now it's breaking below that pre-market high. Super close to that ADMA. About 1 minute till jolts, everybody. But this should be our 30-minute warp high. So we'll see what happens. You know, one day we're going to have like 1,000 of you on the tube. Guaranteed, 1,000 of you. Again, just make sure you guys tap in every single day. That's all I ask from you. We should form a 30-minute demand, but I don't know if there's going to be an upper wick. Let's see, not on the 30. Not on the 45. Okay. We got like an hourly zone now. We would really have to pull back, start hitting it. Okay, we got jolts. See how the market reacts. We have our 30-minute warp high. Ideally, would like to see price get above that. If not, we do have an hourly demand that we form both on NQ as well as ES. Market would really have to start pulling back though. No, I've taken no trades so far. We actually have a 3-hour demand as well. I don't know. What do you guys think? Are we even going to get a pullback? Because ES is now at new all-time highs again, or new highs. SPY's at new all-time highs. How do we make money from stocks? We find small price fluctuations where the risk to reward is on our side. And we simply say the market's going to go up or down. Really don't know if pullback is in our vocabulary today, everybody. We are above the 30-minute orb on ES. Just so overextended, though, on this break already. Still got like 40-ish points until ES all-time highs. Could just go straight there, though. Wouldn't be shocked. I use Thinkorswim as well as Trade of 8. Oh, we're going to hit 1,000 one day. Trust me. One day. This pump is actually crazy. See how we close this 5-minute on ES, I guess. See if we hold above. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. I'm going to keep reminding you. While we're just chilling. If it says follow, that means you're not following yet. If it doesn't say follow, that's already telling you that you do follow. So you got to look up there, top left, top right. If it says follow, make sure to click it. Tons of free education on this page, live trading every single day. Teach you guys patience, discipline, help you guys make money, answer questions, whatever it is. All right, well, we closed above the 30-minute orb on ES. Would probably prefer an even bigger move to the upside before retesting, just because it's already been a pretty big move up so far. There you go. I appreciate the follows, everybody. Russell's nuking too. Not nuking, but having a nice move up. It's a 5-minute chart. Live on TikTok as well as Tube. But Tube is the place to be. You can see my order flow on here. I think we need a Trump tweet right about now. Can give us that pullback. Was he not tweet publicly anymore? Sure he does. Trend days are one of my least favorite days. Only if we don't get an entry, which obviously, we don't have. So, I don't know. At least the long term is cooking right now. Besides crypto. Any questions while we're chilling, everyone? I think silver is actually at a pretty good level. If you're looking to add long term. Ran right back to the quarterly 8 EMA, which lines up with previous all-time highs. SLV's at a pretty good spot. Your stop would be right below 48. It's boring now. Appreciate the follow, Jenny. Appreciate it. Literally no pullbacks. We could watch SES 30-minute org now. $76.86.5. We are retesting it on NQ. It's just, again, NQ's very overextended, so I don't know how I feel about it. Watch, it's still gonna work too. Stuff, Wes. Just too overextended for me to like it. That's the issue. Like, yeah, it bounced 20 points, but overextended. Again, highest probability trades only. It's kind of weird you're taking your homie for a walk. Now, if it was a normal dog, I see that. But if you're taking your dog, DAWG, kind of weird. Slow grind up. Yesterday, I took a trade on Amazon. Winning trade. Again, if you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, you guys can use code Brandon in all caps. BRANDON. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. Why did I not go long based off the retest? Because we already nuked from 29, let's just say 29,200, 300 points with literally no pullback. So that is not how I trade. Now, if it was a decent pullback into the 30-minute orb, that would be something I consider. But after, what did I just say? A 300-point move up with no pullback, I'm not longing that. Now, if ES starts to pull back into its 30-minute orb, that's like an actual decent pullback. Plus, we hardly close above it here. No, I don't think anybody has reset codes for Lucid. Everybody staying patient, Team Bull? Do you guys have you guys got some FOMO? Seems like a 50-50 split. You got in Tesla. What's Tesla doing? Remember, the market gives you a setup. You take it. If not, you sit on your hands and you wait. You've been long since pre-market. Why didn't you tell us, huh? I'm gonna make you host of the Zoom now. I like the retest of 30-minute orb on EMS if we can get it. 7686.5. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button. Let's see. No supply on ES, still super far away on NQ. See if we get the ZS pullback. Definitely would be ideal. It depends on what platform you're on. For Thinkorswim, it's just ES/ES. If you're on TradingView, it's ES1 exclamation point. If you're on Trade8, ESU6. Is this it? Are we actually going to pull back now? Did my eyes deceive me? Appreciate the follows. Again, if you're new, I'm going to keep reminding you, make sure to hit that follow button. Top left, top right. Also, make sure to tap into my YouTube channel, Brandon Trades. Be greatly appreciated. Brandon Trades, 1,800 videos, tons of free education, 139,000 subs. So if you're looking for a place to learn, again, it's over on the tube, Brandon Trades. But this ES is just going. Going. If there's an update on my indicator, TradingView will tell you, and I also say in the chat to update your indicator. NQ is retesting that 30-minute orb again. Just still overextended, very overextended. On ES, yeah. Not for NQ. I know, for real. GD knew this was going to happen. He's the market maker. Might actually start getting our pullback now. Touching the ADMA on NQ for the first time today. And 76.86. The indicator is a one-time fee. I'll drop it in the chat though if you want to check it out. If it's going to load. There we go. There's a link. Go ahead and check it out. Touching this 8 EMA. Reclaiming the 30-minute orb. I don't know. It's just so overextended on NQ. Would definitely prefer the ES level. Question is, does the market give it? In my opinion, it would be a higher probability on ES because it's going to have to pull back, 20 points from the highs, which is, an actual decent pullback, not this tiny little 30-ish point pullback on NQ. What is OB? Come on, pull back more. More of a pullback for us. You can do it. Everything's on the website about what it does. But everything you see on this screen right here is part of what it does. All right, we might get it, Team Bull. Need like another 10 points of pullback. NQ is still holding this 30-minute orb. It hit that ADMA. Again, it's way higher probability on ES. Oh, I swear if it bounces, bro. Oh, come on. Nope. Right back to high day on NQ. Yeah. I mean, like I said, it was holding that 30-minute orb on NQ with the 8 EMA. It's just way too overextended for me to, you know, want to take it. Or if we had a bigger move up on NQ and then the pullback, I would have preferred that more. But we'll see. Hopefully the CS can still pull back. We've had over 5,000 of you today on TikTok. That's fire. Fire. Still 270 of you on the tube as well. Doing really good with retention today on the tube. We had about 280 of you at the peak, and we still have 270 of you. That's really good. Again, if you guys are watching on TikTok, first thing, make sure you guys hit that follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. Second off, make sure you guys come tap into my tube channel, Brandon Trades. Also live over there right now as well. 1,800 videos, 139,000 subs, tons of free education. Again, Brandon Trades on the tube. You should know what the tube is. Hopefully, though, we could pull back and test this level. That'd be nice. Oh my God. There is a 0% chance I take shorts today. Check Amazon. Let's see. What about it? Why don't I trade penny stocks? Because I'm a straight man. And I make way more money trading futures and options. Will we get the pullback, Team Bull? I mean, if there's no setup on NVIDIA, there's no setup. This 5-minute time frame on ES right now. We don't have NQ pulled up. I like the ES setup more. I believe GD left, so now you're stuck with me. Oh no, he's still here. He's lying. Come on, ES. Right here for me. Make me happy. Come on. We are sitting on this ADMA. First time we're touching it all day. But again, I would prefer 30-minute orb. No, I heard. Whoops, I accidentally muted Josh. I really only look at volume when we're at supply and demand. So the indicator does a lot outside of volume. Yep, 76.86 is what we're watching for a potential entry. All depends on confirmation, though. And if we actually even pull back to the level. Tell me it holds this ADMA and pushes. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit the follow button, top left, top right. I'm going to keep reminding you. Top left, top right. Make sure to hit that follow. I really don't know if we're going to get an entry today, but if not, it is what it is. We wait till tomorrow. Good stuff. She wins. Post it in hashtag poster games and tag me in GD. Congrats. Questions while we're chilling, though, everybody? Clearly not being given any sort of entry whatsoever. You want it, Wes. You're going to get it. Yep. You just trade when opportunity is present. That's it. No opportunity, no trades. Unfortunately, though, I do think this is going to go without us. So, still going to give the market about 30 minutes to see if we get a potential entry on something. Still would really prefer the 30-minute work. We'll see, though. Yep. Waiting for the retest. If we get it, cool. If not, reevaluate. Really hope we get the pullback though. Okay, starting to pull back a little bit. Maybe not. Bro, think a crash out is coming. It's like, unfortunately, you cannot, Wes. I wish you could. Maybe they do it in the future. I don't know. Okay, we're gonna pull back now. Made some Vanquish money today, OBJ. Fire. They're running 50% off now, too. If you guys want to try Vanquish out. I'm watching ES. I personally do not care about NQ right now. Are you trying to rage bait me into something? Mr. Wes? Their payouts are quick, though. Like, it was in my bank account within 2 minutes. For Vanquish. I think the 50K accounts are like $100. Let me see. Hold on. See what it is with the 50% off. Yeah, so the 50K. Let's see. Basic options where you're just doing calls and puts is 250 before 50% off, so 125 with no activation fee. Yep, moving super slow. You have to pass the eval and then you get payouts. You can actually get payouts like right off the rip, but it's going to take away from your trailing drawdown. So, like, say you have $2,000 and, or not even trailing drawdown, it's end of day drawdown, but say you have $2,000 end of day drawdown and you build the account to 52K, you can pull out that 2,000 right there, right? You don't have to make over the buffer and then start requesting. You can pull out that 2K right then and there. You're just going to lose the account because it's going to take away, everything out of it. So it's just personal preference. Code Brandon, BRANDON, will get you 50% off. Yeah, code Brandon, BRANDON. She wins. Hey, chill. Jeez. Yeah, I really don't think we're gonna get this pullback, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Not a bad idea, Wes. I'll give the market like 20 more minutes and then go to jujitsu. But it's looking highly unlikely. Again, if you guys are new, make sure to hit that follow button, top left, top right. Yeah, pulled back to the 8 EMA on NQ, but again, it was way too overextended for me to consider that. I don't like trading like that. I don't like overextensive moves with very little pullback into a level. So yeah, it would have worked. Do I think that setup would work repetitively? One of those words. Over time, I don't think so. I think the odds are kind of stacked against you trading like that. Explain Vanquish is just an options firm. So instead of, futures, it's options. GD did not trade. Again, if you're watching on TikTok, make sure you guys check out my tube channel, BrandonTrades. 1,800 videos, 139,000 subs. I'm going to try to hit 150K by the end of the year. Got 4 months to do so. So make sure you guys tap in. Again, BrandonTrades on tube. For futures, always take profit. Take profit, trader. Obviously, if you go with that, make sure to use my code. But there's 4 that, I use and trust and have gotten payouts. Just TPT is my favorite out of the 4. We're gonna get you that payout, babyface. It's gonna happen. For a newbie, I would say probably futures is easier to comprehend. So probably futures. I mean, the accelerator is, or what is in the accelerator is my indicator. So that's based on how I trade, which is very different from the other indicator. Plus mine's, one time price, and you got it forever. Whatever your trailing drawdown is, Mike, that's your buffer. $20 more minutes. See if we get this pullback. Highly, highly, highly doubt it, but one can hope. What kind of pivot points? No, the 30-minute orb is still valid. We just have to touch it. Elon Musk is tweeting that you can't trust OpenAI, which is ChatGPT. Quad's better, 100%. Yeah, like I said, everybody, very low chance that we get a trade today. Does my indicator ever go on sale? No. One-time fee for the rest of your life is like, kind of, it's not even expensive, It's kind of like a no-brainer if you want it. It's one trade, 1 or 2 trades. And then you have the indicator forever. But no, it does not go on sale. There's NQ and MNQ. So MNQ is $2 a point, NQ is $20 a point. You should join Team Bull. I sent the link earlier. Hold on. $30 your first month. Where is it? There it is. Yeah. So hold on. There. This link right here, code BT. $30 your first month, $1 a day. If I update something for the indicator, you'll get notified that it needs an update. But wasn't Elon Musk like part of OpenAI? Pretty sure I read his whatever his book was. Yeah. All right. What happened there? He found it. He was a founder. Now what? I see. Not a bad idea, Chris. Not a bad idea at all. I think SpaceX actually reports earnings today. SpaceX and AMD. Oh, wait, no. SpaceX reported, I think. Never mind. Aftermarket. All right, give this market 5 more minutes. If nothing happens by 9 o'clock, I'm gonna just call it a little early. I would really like to see this start pulling back, but might not get it. Sorry, it's been getting really boring now, everybody. Just not a whole lot going on. It's all right, though. If you're bored, you're trading good. It's part of it. Again, sometimes you'll take trades. Sometimes the market won't offer you anything. Maybe you miss setup. Guess what? It's okay. Market will be open tomorrow. Will be open the next day. The market will always be here for you. So don't feel forced to take a trade and make money today. Because like, say you force a trade right now to make $200. What is that $200 going to do for you today that it wouldn't do for you tomorrow? You know? So that's why I always say, like, the market will be here. You don't need to make $200 today. Okay. It's for my Discord, but if you type in that discount code BT, it'll make it $30 for your first month. I usually get off at 9 o'clock my time, which is in 5 minutes. You know, sometimes they'll stay a little later, but that's usually where I call it. I trade for an hour and a half a day. That's where I make a majority of my money. So yeah, if I make a majority of my money within the first hour and a half, maybe 2 hours a day, I have no reason to trade the remaining 4-5 hours of market open, you know? So come in, make my money, have my time window, If I don't take anything, I call it, come back tomorrow. Appreciate the follow pie signal. Vanquish is its own website, actually. Let me pull it up for you. This is Vanquish right here. Option chain, chart, position will be here. It's kind of just like, it reminds me of Webull. It's what it looks like, but it's its own entire platform. And it's run through DX feed. Do I like Vanquish? Yeah. Again, it's really just a personal preference. Do you want to trade your capital for options, or do you want to trade funded? It's really up to you. But I started promoting them last year. I traded with them before I ever started promoting them, just to make sure they were legit. They were like newer last year, so I wanted to make sure. But payouts are super fast. They're not quick at pushing people live that I've noticed. There's a dude that's gotten, I think it was like 200K in payouts from them, and he still hasn't been pushed live. So, and 100% profit split, all for you. If you want to check it out, here's my link. And then code Brandon, 50% off right now. And then this is their, hold on. How do I open this? Open media link? Yeah. That's the payout pending yesterday. This is like 2 minutes after. So you can see pending to completed within like 2 minutes. And then it was in my Wise account and withdrawn to my bank account in like another 2 minutes. So just riding this 8 EMA on NQ. I think you have to sign paperwork, or like they should send you an email. Again, I signed up with them over a year ago, so I don't really remember. But there's probably like some forms you have to fill out, if I had to guess, because it's connected to DX feed and they're typically a pain in the ass. Yep, there you go. Just fill it out and then you should be good to go. Passing the account and getting the payout like 2 weeks, 2.5 weeks. But now, it's passed and I can just keep getting payouts. So yeah, literally whenever. The only thing that sucks is you can't stack them. That's the thing that sucks. And it does have consistency too. So that's why it did take a little longer to get that payout. Because, I wanted to make sure I didn't have a fat day and then get screwed by consistency. So it's just more so like steady average wins, I would say. And then also equally, I don't trade options every day. So that's also why I added a little bit. Denver, Colorado. Yes, sir. Yeah, guys, honestly, I see the market just grinding higher. We have nothing to all-time highs on ES. Wouldn't be surprised if we get up there. Is somehow, some way, the market pulls back to a 30-minute orb. 100% watch it. But for me personally, no trades today. Think I'm gonna call it though. So everybody have an amazing day. If you continue to trade safe, trade smart. Remember, don't force anything. If there's nothing there, simply just sit on your hands and wait till tomorrow. We caught a decent trade on Amazon yesterday. Nothing today. Hopefully, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday offer some good setups. But have a good day. If you guys ever need accounts, Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and Lucid, code Brandon, all caps. It's crushing, fam. Peace. All right, TikTok and YouTube. Make sure you guys hit that follow button. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Again, slower day. Unfortunately, was not able to catch any entry at all. Just slowly grinding up. I don't like buying after a large, extensive move. So unfortunately, did not take the NQ 30-minute orb. Did not take this 8 EMA retest. I was really interested in the 30-minute orb on ES just because that would have gave like a decent pullback. But unfortunately, we did not get that. So again, if you guys have not, if it says follow at the top left or top right, again, I don't know what side it's on, but if it says follow, that means you are not following yet. So make sure you guys hit the follow button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I go live every single morning, 9 a.m. EST, so 30 minutes before market open. Tell you guys what I'm watching for the day, when I take trades, when I enter, where my stop loss is, when I'm trimming, etc., etc. Okay, so hit the follow button. Everybody watching on the YouTube, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching on TikTok, you want to check out my YouTube channel, BrandonTrades. I have 1,800 videos over there, 139,000 subs. So tons of free education on my YouTube channel as well. Everybody have an amazing day and